Welcome back to the Bootcamp, boys. It's now day 2. So in this video, I'm going to be going over the applications that you need. I'm going to show you guys how to use TradingView so you can have the appropriate setup. So when it comes to looking at the charts, you're going to have all the tools and essentials that you need in order to be trading similar to the way I am. I'm going to be giving some tips on, keeping yourself in a routine, getting enough sleep, and having, other habits that can help you with the inside of trading. Right, so moving straight on to the applications, right, you're going to be needing either MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. When it comes to setting up a demo account, or if you're on a prop firm, you connect your account to a different platform, right? So you can have the choice if you want to connect to MetaTrader 4 or you want to connect to MetaTrader 5. I would always recommend MetaTrader 5 just because it's a bit easier when it comes to setting your take profits and your stop loss. You can also drag down the stop loss, so it's easier. Instead of entering numbers and taking longer, it's easy. Obviously, the essentials, TradingView, pretty simple to get set up, and you also get a free month of the pro version as well, I'm pretty sure. Right, so now we're on TradingView. Yours shouldn't look anything like this. Obviously, you just search tradingview.com, create an account, and then once you create an account, you can have the option to start a pro version, which can do. It just gives you the ability to do back testing, so you can replay the markets and obviously test your strategy. So when it comes to TradingView, right, you've got all your different time frames, all your different zones and tools and all of this sort of stuff. So I'm going to make it short and sweet. To select the right time frames you want to keep, all you've got to do is add the star, right? So I've put the star next to the 1 minute, the 3 minute, the 5 and 15 and so on. So I'm not going to read it all out. If you want to screenshot it so you can have the same, then do that now. Then when it comes to the tools, these are the only tools that I use. Some of them potentially I won't use as much, but however, I'm just going to show you so you boys can have TradingView set up similar to mine, right? If you don't want to watch the setup of TradingView, if you fast forward, I'm going to put the time. I'm going to put the time somewhere here to skip to that time, right? If you do want to see my tools and how I get my color chart like this, then I'll show you. So if you come over to the trend line tools, again, put the star next to every single one you want. And then the next one, I only have the GAN box. Long and short position, date range, just so I can sometimes see how long it's taken for a trade to hit take profit. Same again here, screenshot everything you need to do. Screenshot everything. But yeah, that's the simple stuff. You don't need the exact same tools. Obviously, you're going to be using the same tools, right? We're going to be using the same line tool, the position tools, and text tools and stuff. But moving over to the chart settings, this is my chart color. If you want to mark that out, feel free. So that's that. Screenshot that. Canvas. Screenshot that. Scales. Yeah, you don't need anything like that. Pretty simple. Obviously in the future I'm going to be showing you how to use the tools correctly. So yeah, that is pretty much my TradingView setup, right? So if you want to look similar to mine, then feel free to add everything. So now I want to kind of go over being in a routine, because the whole point of being in a routine and being in control of your emotions and stuff is the most important thing to come when it comes to trading, right? So staying in a routine, that just means, being able to get up at 6 o'clock in the morning, doing your prep work for London Open, and then identifying that if there's nothing there, if there's nothing that's giving you confidence, there's no positions, right? You've got to be in a good routine where you can say to yourself, listen, I'm not going to trade today. You don't want to be taking silly losses because you're trying to chase a potential trade, right? If you're not confident, simply do not get into it, right? Being in a good routine, having other hobbies. So if there is a morning where you're not confident, you're not seeing opportunities, instead of chasing, everything and trying to chase a bit of money, basically gambling, having the other hobbies. So you can close your laptop at 8 o'clock if there's nothing there, go to the gym, go reading, just do anything that's productive, anything that is still going to benefit you. I'm not saying just go sit on the Xbox for the next 6 hours and do nothing the whole day. Always find something to be productive. Even reading, like I said, it can be productive, because if you're reading the right books, you're learning, you're doing other stuff, you know what I mean? So definitely stay productive. And I want to speak a bit more as well on sleeping, right? If you're obviously a bit of a bad sleeper, a bit like me, I need my sleep, right? So if you're going to sleep at 11, 12 o'clock and getting up at 6, you're going to be able to do it, but you're going to be tired, you're going to be miserable, you're not going to be thinking straight, right? So when it comes to looking at the markets in the morning and you're not wide awake, you're not concentrating, you're gonna be taking silly mistakes, because every now and then you're gonna forget about a specific time frame you haven't checked. You know, you've not checked liquidity on the higher time frame, you've not checked higher time frame POI, you've not, you know, there's a list could go on forever, right? So you've got to be, your brain's got to be in the most optimum kind of place. So, you know, even if it means going to sleep at 10 o'clock, waking up at 6, and that means you're getting 8 hours sleep. So you know that getting up at 6, you know, you've got half an hour to wake yourself up, get into, you know, have a shower, do all this just basic stuff, right? So your brain is there and ready. So when you're sat down and you're opening up the charts, you know, your brain's focused, you're ready, you've got everything, you know, in control. You know, it's always about being prime, because trading isn't just a little side hustle. Trading is a business. It's a business scheme. Even from the get-go, even if you're just starting, you want to be getting in the habit, being in the routine how you'd think I would be in, or the other mentors or traders you're watching online. You've got to be thinking the same as them. Because if you're not thinking the same as them, you're going to be making these silly mistakes. You're going to be going around in circles, and your whole process is going to be taking a lot longer, right? So the faster you think to yourself, oh, would he be taking this? If not, then why you? Because nothing's off of luck. Don't gamble. As soon as you get in control of these little habits, you know, you're gonna be finding your journey is gonna be a lot quicker than, you know, the majority of other people. So yeah, again, this video is pretty short. I just wanted to show you the little bit of the basics. The next video is gonna be discipline, how to think and what not to do, right? So stay tuned for that. Video 4, structure and price action. So next Monday is going to be the first video where I'm going over charts, showing you boys exactly what to do. Yeah, I want to see you boys in the next one. Don't forget the Discord link is down below in the description. I'm hosting a free webinar tomorrow, so if you're watching this and you're new, jump in the Discord and join the free webinar tomorrow. The mentorship is closed and it's going to be opening the day after Christmas, so December the 26th I'm going to be opening up the Discord, the mentorship, sorry. So yeah, I'm going to leave it as that. I'll speak to you boys in the next one.